What do you think is more important, first impressions or last impressions? Both are significant, but last impressions tend to stick in a person's mind because it's the last thing that they'll see you do. In college, I competed in gymnastics at the University of Northern Iowa. This is the only surviving video I have of those days. Here I am on the rings in a handstand, waiting to do the Iron Cross. That was a long time ago. Before competing, my coach would always say to me, "Mark, stick the dismount." In other words, don't take a step. Of course, the whole routine was important. Perfect form and pointed toes, great execution, a few moves with a high degree of difficulty. But most of all, it was about the finish, sticking the dismount. Wait for it. Wait for it. It is all about the finish. So, what kind of impression do you make? Especially when you think you're all done. I know one speaker who did a great job on stage only to ruin it by the way he treated hotel staff after the event. So remember, your last impression could happen at the hotel restaurant, back at the office, or in a follow-up call with the client the next day. Final impressions will have an impact on how people remember you, and if you'll get a chance to work with that client again. So practice your finale and have a great last impression.